Today on the Daily Dose, CAR T-cell therapy fights cancer. In the ongoing fight against cancers resistant to conventional treatment options, scientists have landed upon a promising new weapon known as Chimeric Antigen Receptor T-cell therapy, or CAR T-cell therapy in short. Using the patient's own immune system to fight cancer, the treatment relies on a type of white blood cell called a T-cell, which plays a key role in helping the human immune system fight off threats by diseases and other harmful pathogens. While unedited T-cells oftentimes fail to recognize cancer cells, new gene editing breakthroughs such as CRISPR can genetically reprogram T-cells to attack cancerous cells with much higher efficacy than older, more harmful treatment options such as chemotherapy. To perform CAR T-cell therapy, blood is drawn from a cancer patient before T-cells are isolated in a lab. The T-cells then undergo genetic reprogramming, which allows CAR T-cells to recognize specific antigen protein markers on the surface of certain cancer cells. The genetically altered T-cells are then multiplied and packaged for reinfusion into the donor patient, which in turn allows the altered T-cells to patrol the patient's bloodstream in search of blood-borne cancers such as diffuse large B-cell lymphoma, follicular lymphoma, mantle cell lymphoma, multiple myeloma, and B-cell acute lymphoblastic leukemia. First approved by the FDA in 2017, clinical studies of CAR T-cell therapy have reported remission rates as high as 93% in severe forms of blood cancer, which is particularly impressive considering most T-cell clinical trials have been built around patients who failed to respond to many, if not all, other available treatment options. While existing CAR T-cell therapy takes 9 to 14 days to produce genetically altered T-cells, a life-threatening setback for patients with aggressive forms of cancer, in a preclinical, peer-reviewed study published in early 2022, a team of researchers from Penn Medicine in Philadelphia reported on a new technique that generated functional CAR T-cells with enhanced anti-tumor potency in just 24 hours, making CAR T-cell therapy a giant leap forward in man's persistent war against disease. And there you have it, CAR T-cell therapy, today on the Daily Dose. Get your nerd on with the Daily Dose. And if you enjoyed today's episode, share the link with a friend or colleague so that they too can learn something new every day.